Hello there, you're welcome to Chris Graphics Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you're going to turn this to this for yourself during this Christmas period. It's going to be very brief. It's just so simple to do. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you have not watched my video, the first video I made about how you can generate images with Google Gemini, make sure you hit the video hovering over your screen, or you check the description of the video on how you can do that. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button as we get started. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any important videos that will be loaded on this channel. Alright, in the near future. Alright, we load videos every week, so you're really going to enjoy your stay here. So first thing first, just go to you can just type Google or just type Gemini. I might type it Gemini, or the first one, gemini.google.com. Just go there. Now I've created a lot of images with this model. All right, this is image creation nano banana here. Or you can see my stuff here, a lot of stuff. Okay, so you can do that as well. So this is a new chart already, so I'm going to just hit on create image or click tools, and then you're going to see create image here. Just hit it, and what you're going to do, click the plus sign, then you're going to attach files. All right, so I'm going to pick one of the files I have here. Let me see. Now this is one of the pictures. This is the picture I'm going to use. So I'm just going to tell it, it's just to say maintain 100% resemblance of the face, or you can simply say do not change the facial look. Maintain okay, I can use facial looks as it is. Now where the you can say add a Christmas cap, all right, to the attached image. All right, with Christmas lights around the cap. Maintain the color of the shirt. Now the reason why I said you should maintain the color of the shirt, because it's kind of like it's red already. So if you want to change it, fine, you can do that. So let's see what it will give us. I think we can just leave it at let's leave it at fast. So you can just hit OK. Now it's going to do the magic and add it to us. So it's just for you to really just tell it what you want to do, and it's going to create it for you. Okay, so can you see it has created? This is quite funny, right? All right, so if you don't like the light, I don't know, the light here, I really don't like it. So you can say, let's say you can remove the lights from the image and leave only the Christmas cap. Let's just put it that way. So let's see, I think it's going to do that, and let's see what it will create. All right, now you can see this is awesome, right? This is awesome. Looks realistic, and the face, you can see the face is 100% the same. All right, I'm not sure there's any difference here in the face. All right, so that's how you can do that. You can do that for your Christmas whatever. You can just click this download icon right here, or you open the image. Once you open the image, you can see it right here, download full size. So that's how you can do that. All right, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, leave a comments as to what tutorial you probably need for me to create, and I'll do that for you. All right, bye for now.